So moving on to our final segment, which is the rapid fire. Self-explanatory. I'll ask you questions and you have to give us quick and crisp answers.
All right.
So to start, how many days of leave have you taken in the last year?
This year, talking about 2023, many.
Yeah.
So actually, 3 weeks of holiday, but
Oh yeah, too. But that was testing.
That was experiment.
so 3 weeks of holiday, but 1 week of this restoration program, 4 weeks, and then there have been like personal medical holidays. So many this year.
Your proudest moment with Vibrant Moon.
A few, if I can like say at least 2, 3. One is when people started coming to me that, hey, you work with this brand, hey, you work with that brand, etc. And I've never disclosed to any people that I work with, except you find it in the cred stack or somewhere. But people who would have never seen my cred stack coming to me and telling them, and I get to know that they say this because they know it from my parents. That I felt was they feel good about me. They feel that, oh, they have raised a kid who can, run a business. That was one. Two, the person from the team, him, Vijay, is like moved out, but we have like together started a studio. It is still not like practically on, but he's setting up the studio as we speak in Delhi.
Wow.
So that is another movement. I think I would say that makes me proud that I feel he learned a lot in 3 years. He really became a different person in 3 years than what he was, and I feel that there was something right we did.
Right, we have to bring him on at some point.
Yeah, absolutely. So once things are set up, once things are on, maybe 2, 3 years down the line.
No, I mean like having that environment where people can grow like that. That's also
Yes.
massive.
Yes, I also feel that very small moments like where I feel proud is when someone from the team, I think you also met Harshada,
Yeah.
they come to you and speak to you openly, without any hesitation. I feel pride that we have been able to build such culture that people don't hesitate to come. There are no boundaries, there are no walls. So if she needs to learn something, if she needs new technology, she will not hesitate to ask me, Ankit, I need this budget or that, and I need to do this course, even if it's like whatever, less than a lakh, 2 lakhs, 50,000, whatever. So we kind of work with them. We help them grow, or they, because I think they've shown that they want to grow, they want to learn. If they don't, then I think it makes no sense. But since they've shown, then it's better that they grow. I think so. These are like few moments where in a day-to-day life I wouldn't think of that, but since you're asking me, I now feel that this is pride because there's a place where they can come and they can grow, they can put forth their discussions or whatever they have in mind without hesitation. Because if there are hesitations, neither will they be able to grow, or any inhibitions that they have, they will not be able to grow. They will not be able to give the best, and we will not be able to grow. Clients will not be able to grow.
No, yeah, having a supportive environment is, I guess, key to their productivity in the long term as well. But what is the scrappiest thing you've done to build your business?
Honestly, I've not done anything scrappy. I would like to. I would definitely like to, but no, I've not done anything scrappy so far.
That's a good thing as well.
I don't know. I mean, I've never thought of it.
Yeah.
But,
What was one time you felt like you let Vibrant Moon down?
if I let a client down, then yes. Otherwise, I've not felt any other way. Um, that's happened. Like you try, you work on a brand, things did not work out, but then you have to be honest about it. That this is not working out. Maybe we can stop, or maybe we can try something else. Uh, Without that, then I think that's the time I also feel that we let them down. Let's say X amount of budget was spent on it. We try to figure out that can we still try it out or not, or we stop it. I think that's one area where I feel that if things don't go right, uh, I feel that I've let Vibrant Moon down, but at the same time you have to be honest.
What did you do with your first profit?
First profit. Nothing. I invested in a FD, so that if something goes down, we pay our salaries.
Yep, this is why you've done nothing scrappy to build your business because you've done everything right.
Books or podcasts?
Podcast.
Thank you.
iPad. iPad or notebook?
Notebook.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
Morning.
Threads or Twitter?
Neither.
And your favorite social media platform?
Instagram.
That seems to be the favorite.
Yeah, I mean, I don't spend my time anywhere else now. It's just Instagram.
Yeah.
You get all the tweets also on Instagram.
Fair
You get all
enough.
the LinkedIn materials on Instagram also.
Yeah, but yeah, that concludes the rapid fire segment.